Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, a channel where every single day I show you how to draw something. So today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Bernard, who is a little bad guy from the game Kirby and the Forgotten Land. So I just think this is such a cute little character. Even though he is a little bit of a villain, he's still just so cute. Alright, so before we get started with our drawing, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know what you would like to learn how to draw next. And if you're new here, it would be awesome if you could subscribe and stick around for all our daily doodles. Alright, so to start drawing Bernard, I'm going to start with the hat. So I'm going to start with the circle at the top of the hat. So we can just sketch a little circle. And then I'm going to do another circle around that one. Okay, so next we can do the little top of the hat, just kind of like the top middle, little spot like that. And we can kind of branch off and work our way downward a little bit from that middle point. And we can try our best to make both sides kind of match up, but it doesn't have to be perfect. We're just having fun. All right, so right here, kind of like at the bottom of this circle, we're going to do a little band around the hat. So you can see I'm not doing a totally straight line. I got it kind of curved. And of course we need a second line because it's like a little band or like a ribbon. And I'm going to do a little line coming this way, slanting upward, and same on the other side. And now we can do the sides of the hat, branch out a little bit, and curve the edges here. And make those sides meet. And the front of the hat also has kind of a band around it. So we can start here in the middle and kind of bring that line out, extend it to all the way over here, and do the same over on this side. And we gotta do another line because it's like a band. All right, so now let's do the ears, his cute little ears that are poking out of both sides of the hat here. So we're going to do a little curve here. And come on back. So it's almost like a little noodle coming out of the hat. And then we can do a few little like U shapes. Okay, and we can do the same over on the other side. So funny little noodle type shape, and then our little U shapes coming in. All right, so we got our two little ears, and now right here underneath the brim of the hat we can do the nose. So it's just kind of like a upside down triangle. Like that. And I'm gonna put like a little oval right here. This is like where the light is going to be hitting on his little nose, so it's just like a little shiny part of his nose. All right, so underneath the nose we can do a bit of a frown. And that can be a really long frown. And right up here we can bring this line down. And we just kind of connected them. And we can do the same over here. It's kind of almost like two legs, but they're not really legs. All right, and we can do a little curve right here for the bottom of the mouth and do another little, I guess, bit of fur And then another one. And over here, let's do a little hand. So it's almost like a circle, but we're going to do like a little thumb here. So it's kind of like a mitten. And then we can add some more little noodly fur pieces. He's got lots. And that hand is just kind of poking out. All right, so let's do his other little hand, which is going to be really similar to the other one, just kind of like a little mitten shape. And then we can bring down some more noodly fur bits. Like that. And we can give him a little foot. So 1, 2, 3 little toes. And do the same over here. So 1, 2, 3 little toes. All right, I think he's pretty cute. But just give me a moment and I'm gonna get started coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished our doodle for today. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to see next or what you would like to learn how to draw next. And thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have the very best day ever, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!